I feel stupid. I look like a little bug tooth. Like, what?
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today, flowers.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Miss Destiny. Welcome back to my channel for another video. So I hope you guys can hear me. Alright, so welcome back to my video. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Don't come up on here if you're not already subscribed. We're a family type of thing, so you need to subscribe. I hope you guys can hear me. Everyone is home. You already know we all quarantined. Matter of fact, how y'all doing about that? How y'all feel about that? What y'all doing to keep yourself occupied? Because this is what I'm doing. You know, so as you guys read the title, today I'm going to be trying that lip hack to make your lip look bigger, because I don't know if you guys can tell, but I really wasn't blessed in like the big lip arena, you know, like that stereotype for black people where they got big lips. Yeah, I don't fall in that category. Maybe my bottom lip, but not my top lip. And I'm really been thinking about getting my lips done. I've been thinking about it. I'm not gonna hold you. I've really been thinking about it. It's kind of been like an insecurity thing since I was like a kid, but we're about to try out this hack to see if it works. Not gonna say if this hack works I'm gonna use it all the time, but we're definitely gonna try it out. So what I'm first gonna do is I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm doing a video! So I'm gonna do a time lapse of y'all seeing me do my makeup, and then when it gets to the lip part, then obviously I'm gonna come back to reality. But for right now, make sure you guys give this big thumbs up. If you aren't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell for the post notification so you know when I post, and let's get into it. Alright, so my camera is literally about to die, but I'm here for this look though. Like, I'm really here for it. So now we're about to actually do the hack that I was talking about. So first of all, very basic, simple makeup look. I didn't really care about my eyes too much because that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is to see if this makeup hack works. So what people were doing, they were putting like the white eyelash glue. They were putting eyelash glue like right above like the cupid's bow, like right here, and letting it dry. I don't have white, I have black, which is the Tarte one, which I need a new one because I had this since May of last year. So yeah, I most definitely need a new one. So I'm gonna try it with the black. I'm gonna do a little bit. So I'm gonna put a little bit right here, and you wanna know where you're gonna push your lip back to. So I don't know if I'm gonna do this right, but we'll see. So I put that much because first of all, I don't know what I'm doing. That's number one. Like, I feel like this is gonna look stupid. Oh, that looks. I don't know if this is gonna work. Maybe it's not the right glue. So I think it's the type of glue that you have to use, because this is not working for me. I see people doing like using the duo glue, so maybe that's the glue that actually works for this, not the Tarte one. This Tarte? What is this? Yeah, the Tarte one. It's not working. So thumbnail. Okay, this isn't working, and I feel stupid. Literally holding my lip up like this. Like, I look like a robot tooth. Like, what? Fail for me. I don't think this works. I don't know if it's the glue that I'm using or if it because it doesn't really work. I don't know. But I'm gonna give this hack a fail. A big F. And I kind of was hoping that it was gonna work because I wanted to see like how it would look with like how I would look with big lips. But yeah, didn't work for me. So kind of sucks, really bad. But I'm just going to chop up my lips, honey. How we do it regularly. Fix up this area. Let's see, can I add anything to the lips to kind of give this like a little something, even though it was a fail? Well, this stinks. This is bad because it smells really bad. It smells like pickle juice. Ugh. Yuck. Alright, y'all, so this is the end of the video. Like I said, this was a fail for me. It may work for you, it may work for other people, but for me, it was the fail. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Make sure you hit that bell for the post notification so you know when I post. Comment down below what my next video should be, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.